Drill a hole in the right spot and money sprays out of the ground. Drill the wrong spot and, well, here is the vocabulary for both. Here are 8 idioms from the OIL patch. Number 1, strike oil. Years of nothing, then one morning the drill bites into the good stuff. Striking oil means sudden, enormous success, right where you were already digging. Number 2, a gusher. Sometimes the well does not trickle. It roars. A gusher is success so big it cannot be contained, capped, or politely ignored. Number 3, a dry hole. All the equipment, all the money, all the drilling, nothing down there. A dry hole is an expensive, complete echoing failure. Number 4, boom or bust. Oil towns know 2 speeds. Everyone is rich or everyone is gone. Boom or bust means huge win or total loss with absolutely nothing in between. Number 5, a wildcatter. No survey, no guarantee. Just a hunch and a rented drill in the middle of nowhere. A wildcatter is a gambler who bets everything on long odds. Number 6, over a barrel. When the only gas station in 100 miles names its price, you pay it. Being over a barrel means helpless, with zero negotiating power. Number 7, down in the hole. The drill is down there. The money is down there. Everything you have is down the hole. Being down in the hole means deep in debt, still digging. Number 8, a pipe dream. The plan is gorgeous. The map is drawn. The funds are imaginary. A pipe dream is a beautiful scheme that is never, ever going to happen. And that is 8 idioms from the oil patch. May your holes be gushers and your dreams have actual pipes. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.